Now this is a VIP strategy. This is a VIP strategy. I'm supposed to be selling this strategy, but I'll be giving it out for free for you guys to use and make money. Alright. Now with this strategy, you will be able to grow your $30 account, your $20 account, or even a $5 account. Alright. As long as you can open a position, you'll be able to use this strategy to grow that account. Alright. Now without wasting much of our time, before I show you guys how the strategy work, I'm going to first of all show you how to set the strategy up. Alright. So now the first thing we have to do here is to click on this icon here. You click on this icon. After clicking on that, the first indicator here is going to be the stochastic oscillator. This one right here. You click on it. Now you can see you make everything one, right? This one, one. The price yield is low high. The method is simple, right? Now you see here also, here is one. Now the colors, you make it the color of your background, right? If you are using a white, you make it white. If you are using a black, you make it black. Now for the levels, we have 15 and 85 here. Click on it. You can see 15 and 85. Now the pixel is 2. The color is black. After that, you go back and then you click on save. Now the next indicator here is the MACD. You click on it. Now you can see these are the parameters, right? So you make sure you set everything to be the same as this one, right? You set everything to be the same as this one right here. You can see. Now under this die, we have 1 pixel. Under this die, the main is 1 pixel, the color is white. The signal is 2 pixel, the color is red. Right. So after that, you click on save. We are done with the MACD. Now, before I forget, before you search for the stochastic and MACD, this is the icon you should be clicking on, right? Now, after you add the stochastic, it's going to form the indicator window one, which is going to bring out this icon. So before you add the MACD, you click on this second icon here, right? Hope you understand. You click on this second icon here in order to add the MACD under it, right? So don't be confused. Now, after adding the MACD, the next indicator here is the moving average. So you click on this icon again to add the moving average. So you click on the moving average. You can see the period here is 1, the shift is 0, and the method is simple. The apply to, you select the previous indicators data, and under this tab we have 3 pixel and the color is blue. So after that, you click on save. You are done with the moving average. Now, after that, we are going to click on this icon here again, and then you search for MACD, which is this first one here. You search for MACD, right? You add the MACD up. You click on it. Now, you can see these are the parameters, right? Now, the fast EMA here is 35, the slow EMA here is 14, and the MACD SMA here is 9, right? Now, the style, you can see 1 pixel, the color is white. The signal is 4 pixel, the color is red. You go back, you click on save. Right now, the second indicator here, this one right here, you click on it. Now, you can see the period for this one is 37. The slow EMA is 16. The MACD SMA is 8. Now, you see the main here is 1 pixel. The color is white. The signal is 4 pixel. Now, the color is blue, right? Okay. Then after that, you click on save. Now, for the third one, which is this one right here, you click on it. Now, you make the fast EMA here 14, the slow EMA 35, the MACD SMA is 8 here. Now the main is 1 pixel, the color is white. The signal is 4 pixel, the color is blue. You click on save. Now for the last MACD here, this one right here, you are to make the fast EMA 16, the slow EMA is 37, the MACD SMA is 8, the apply to is close, the main is 1 pixel, the color is red, right? Click on save. Now the last indicator here is the stochastic oscillator. You click on it. Now You just use the same setting as the first one, right? Everything, we just need the levels, right? Then you click on save. Use the first setting for it also. Now, and after that, you are going to have a screen like this one right here. So that is that about the indicator settings. Now, let me show you guys how the strategy work. Now, first of all, we are going to wait for spike to occur. All right, this is a scalping strategy. We are using this strategy to take the little candles out of the market. All right, we are not catching spike on this one. Okay, now the first condition for this one is that you allow this MACD line here. So you are going to allow the MACD line, the red and the green and blue line, to get to the 85 zone here. So once you see it touching the 85 zone, secondly, you wait for this line here also to touch the 85 zone on the indicator window too. All right, both sides should be touching the 15 and the 85 zone. All right. So now, secondly, you wait for the blue to start crossing the red. So once you see that crossing happening, right, once everything is aligned like this, then you go in for 5 candles, right? Let me show you another example again and explain it one more time. Now you can see, like I said earlier, first of all, whenever there is a spike, you see that the red and the blue is now touching the 85 zone. Then you see this thing start expanding. It will cross and then start expanding. Once you see that it has touched this, you see that it has touched the 85 level on the indicator window 2. The both side is touching the 15 and 85. Then you see the blue crossing the red line here on the indicator window 1. Alright, you are to go in for 5 candles and you are out. Alright, with this strategy, you are not going to be caught with any spike. Alright, if you follow the condition correctly, as I've just explained, you will not be caught with any spike. Alright, so you can see this is how it will happen. You can see right now how it's happening. The both side is touching here. Now you see that crossing happening there. Right, you go in for 5 candles and you are done. You go in for 5 candles. 5 candles and you are done. Right, same thing applies on crash, but on crash you'll be doing the opposite. All right, on crash we are going to be doing the opposite. So this is on crash. I think we are a little bit late. All right, we are late to take entry. So you can see here the both side touch the crossing, then you can see you get your 5 candles here before that spike will come. Right, same thing happened here again. The both side touch the crossing here on the indicator window 1. You take your 5 candles, you are done. All right, so that is how simple it is. That's how simple this strategy is. So I'm going to zoom out so that I'll show you the zoom level. So for the zoom level, you are going to zoom in twice. 1, 2. All right, this is the zoom level. All right, so you zoom in twice. Okay, so let's go back on bone and see. So you take 5 candles with this strategy and you are out. All right, you don't need to be greedy. Okay, 5 candles and you are done. Okay. So you can see we have gotten our 5 candles. So you can see that we have gotten our 5 candles. So we close our profit and then we wait for the next opportunity. Alright. So guys, this is a very good strategy and I've shown you how it works. So now it's up to you to go and backtest the strategy. Alright. Trade it for like 2 weeks or you backtest it, see if it's working for you, and then you can go live with your real money. Okay, you can go ahead and put your real money, then trade and start making money. All right, so that's pretty much everything I have for you guys into this video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. All right, for those of you who have not yet subscribed, please make sure you do that. All right, go smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this again, you get notified immediately. All right, Now, I think I'll be drawing the curtain here right now. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.